Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to install and set up the Archi WordPress theme, a premium theme designed for interior designers, architects, and creative agencies. By the end of this video, your website will be fully functional, stylish, and ready to showcase your portfolio. Let's dive in. First, you need to download the Archi theme. You can get it from ThemeForest or your official source. After downloading, you'll have a zip file containing the theme, demo content, and required plugins. Keep this file handy as we'll need it for installation. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard at yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. Enter your username and password to access the dashboard. This is where we'll install and configure Archi. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme. Click Choose File and select the Archi zip file, then click Install Now. WordPress will upload and install the theme in a few moments. Once installed, click Activate to make Archi your active theme. Now your WordPress site is using the Archi theme, but we still need to set up plugins and demo content. After activation, WordPress will prompt you to install required and recommended plugins, such as Elementor, Slider Revolution, and Contact Form 7. Click Begin Installing Plugins, select All, and click Install. After installation, activate all plugins. These plugins are necessary for full functionality. To make your site look like the demo, go to Appearance, Import Demo Data, or Archi Demo Importer. Choose the demo you want and click Import. This process will add all pages, posts, sliders, and settings. Wait a few minutes, depending on your server speed. After importing demo content, it's time to customize your website. Go to Appearance, Customize, or use Elementor to edit pages visually. Update your logo, colors, fonts, and content to match your brand. Check your home page, portfolio, services, and contact pages. Archi comes with contact and inquiry forms. Go to WP Forms or Contact Form 7 Settings and configure your forms. Test them to ensure messages are sent correctly. You can also adjust sliders, galleries, and portfolios to highlight your interior design projects. Finally, check your website on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices to ensure it looks perfect. Make sure all pages, forms, and images display correctly. Once everything is working smoothly, your Archi WordPress website is ready to go live. That's it! You've successfully installed and set up the Archi Interior Design WordPress theme. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorials. Comment below if you have any questions or need help customizing your theme. Thanks for watching.